Hi everyone, welcome to the ExpertsEdge. So here we are for the shortcuts for CAT series, right? And the topic we are dealing is permutation and combination. So the topic for today is, that is our first session for the shortcut, that is the number of pathways or the route. What exactly it's like, let me give the example and then we'll solve the question. Let's say this is a particular grid. Pardon me for the diagram. Let's say I want to go from A to B. Okay, it is unidirectional. You can't go to and fro. A से B अगर मुझे जाना है तो in how many ways I can travel. ठीक है, so there are 2-3 ways. So first we'll go with the what we have learned, that is nothing but the partition theory. Basically, if you see here, there are two horizontal, I can say this blocks or the right. So this is one horizontal and this is also second, and there are two vertical column. So I have two horizontal things and I have two vertical, this whatever you can say line or a bar. So just remember, जब भी ऐसा pathway वाला question है तो ये मेरे chocolates हो जाते हैं और ये मेरे partition हो जाते हैं. तो I hope you remember. तो what will be the answer? Nothing but 2 plus 2, 4C2. That is nothing but 4 into 3 by 2. That is 6. So there are 6 different ways to go from A to B, right? Like this and whatever. या फिर आप शॉर्ट में ऐसे ही याद रख सकते हो इसको. जस्ट रिमेंबर द शॉर्टकट और द फॉर्मूला. जो भी हॉरिजॉन्टल है और वर्टिकल है दोनों को ऐड कर दो और एक जो भी रखना नीचे, एक तो हॉरिजॉन्टल रख दो या फिर वर्टिकल रख दो. आई होप यू रिमेंबर, सिलेक्शन इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू रिजेक्शन, तो इट डजंट मैटर, राइट. सो सपोज अगर मैं एक दूसरी डायग्राम देता हूं, जस्ट लेट्स से दिस वन. सो इसमें कितने वेज होंगे? A to B. So here there are how many horizontal I can say brackets. So it will be horizontal, it will be 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Vertical will be 1, this is 2. So you just need to count the levels, right? So 3 horizontal, 2 verticals, 3 plus 2, that is 5. C2 should be the answer, that is 5 into 4 by 2. So 10 is the answer of this question. So I hope you got the concept. Now let's move to the questions. So this is a CAT 2004 question. Okay, I just forgot, this is a CAT 2004 question. A very plain vanilla question. Just give it a try. What is saying? The lines represent one-way road, allow travel only northwards or only westwards. So जैसे एक ऊपर की ही direction में जाना, either north or west. So how many distinct routes are possible? So the same thing. So how many horizontal brackets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have horizontal 5 bracket. And how many are vertical? I have horizontal 5 brackets. Okay. How many are verticals? Vertical will be 3, right? Vertical are 1, 2 and 3. So I have 3 vertical. So as we just said, क्या होगा इसका आंसर? Horizontal, vertical you add, and obviously in an exam calculation जो भी small वाला होगा वो रखेंगे, तो vertical ही रख दो, ज़्यादा better है, right? So answer of this will be 8C3. What is 8C3? 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 into 2. So 3 2s are 6 and 6 gone. 8 7s are 56 should be your answer. Right? So I hope this point is clear. Let's move to the next question. Now what is asking? If you can travel only south or to the right, एक तो आप नीचे जा सकते हो या फिर right इधर. Find the number of ways going from A to B. That is, I need to go from A to B. So if you can see, these are the 3 squares. So ये बीच में let's say मैं कुछ points लिख देता हूँ. This junction, let's say I call it as a P, and let's say this junction I call it as a Q. So what will be my way? I'll first go from A to P and then I'll go from P to Q and then I'll go from Q to B. This will be my route, right? And प्लीज रिमेंबर, मैंने पहले भी कहा था, जब भी कहीं पे भी एंड आए, एंड का मतलब हमेशा होता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन और का मीनिंग होता है एडिशन, राइट? So A to P, how many ways are there? How many are the horizontal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and vertical 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 5 horizontal, 4 vertical. I'll directly writing the answer now. Add them, that is 9. छोटा वाला वैल्यू रख दो, that is 4. C4 and means into P to Q, 2 horizontal, 2 vertical. So 2 plus 2, 4. C2 into Q to B, 3 horizontal, 3 vertical. So again answer should be 6. C3. So this is the answer of this question, right? So I hope you got this point, how to solve a normal typical path or the roots question, right? Now this question, अगर आप इसमें देखोगे, इसमें नॉर्मल मेथड ये जो अब तक हम कर रहे थे वो लगाना मुश्किल है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे इट्स नॉट अ कंप्लीट स्क्वायर और अ रेक्टेंगल. सो लेट्स लर्न द अदर वे एज वेल, बिकॉज ये तो भले ही शायद हो जाए, बट जो नेक्स्ट वाले क्वेश्चंस वो इस मेथड से नहीं होंगे, ठीक है. सो लेट्स लर्न द जनरलाइज मेथड विच विल, जिससे आप कोई भी क्वेश्चन और रूट्स को सॉल्व कर सकते हो. तो आई विल यूज हियर पास्कल ट्रायंगल. I hope everyone must be knowing what is a Pascal triangle. It goes like this कि 1 1, right? Then what it happens कि ये 1 plus 1 add हो जाता है, that is 1 2 1. फिर क्या होता है, ये start का 1, then this 1 plus 2, that is 3, right? This is 1 plus 2, that is 3. Then 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is again 3, and last में 1 again. This is 1, this is 1 plus 3, that is 4, 3 plus 3, that is 6, 3 plus 1, that is 4, and 1 again, and so on so forth, right? So this is known as a Pascal triangle. Now how will we use this? Okay, I'll explain on the previous question solved as well, ठीक है, to get the better clarity. जो अभी हमने question solve किया है उस पे भी हम लगा के देखते हैं. Let's say this basic question first. जैसे ये इसका आंसर था कितना 6 एंड इसका था 10, ठीक है. जस्ट लेट्स ट्राई टू लर्न द पास्कल्स ट्रायंगल. सो A to B जाना है, जस्ट रिमेंबर द डायरेक्शन. आई नीड टू गो फ्रॉम A to B, ठीक है. तो मैं यहाँ पे 1 लिख दूंगा, यहाँ पे 1, बिकॉज पास्कल ट्रायंगल स्टार्ट्स विद 1. जो जहां से भी आप शुरू कर रहे हो वहां 1 1 लिख देना. सो इधर यू नीड कैन गो दिस वे और दिस वे, तो मैंने दोनों जगह 1 1 लिख दी. तो यहाँ से एक वे आ रहा है, यहाँ से एक वे आ रहा है. तो इस जंक्शन पे कितने ways I have? From this I have 1 way and from here I have 1 way, so I'll write it 2 here. So इस पॉइंट पे मैं 2 तरीके से आ सकता हूँ. Now this point, यहाँ पे कितने वेज है मेरे पास? यहाँ से 2 रास्ते और यहाँ से 1 रास्ता. So particularly at this point I have 3 ways, right? Now come to this part, this point. यहाँ पे कितने वेज है? यहाँ से ऊपर से 1 आ रहा है, यहाँ से 2 आ रहा है, तो 2 plus 1 I have 3 ways. Now last B पे कितने पॉइंट्स होंगे? यहाँ से 3 रास्ते, यहाँ से भी 3 रास्ते, 3 और 3 6, right? That was our answer. So this is a Pascal triangle. Let's try to use here as well. ठीक है, let's quickly do it. So again north direction I need to remember. So this will be 1, this will be 1, this will be 1, again 1 and a 1. So 2 here, just a matter of practice. It's 3 here, 2 plus 1. Here it will be 3, 2 from here, 1 from here. Here it will be 6, 3 from here, 3 from here. Here it will be 3 here, 1 here, it will be 4. And last at B, it will be 6 and 4, 10. That was our answer, right? So pretty much easy, not very difficult, just a matter of practice. Let's do at this as well, right? So I need to go from here to here. Just let me erase. Answer of this question was 56, right? So एक बार quickly कर लेते हैं. So 1 1 1 1 1 1. So here it will be 2. Here it will be 3. Here it will be 4. Here it will be 3. Just 1 1 getting added, right? Here it will be 4. It will be 5 and 6 here. Now at this moment it will be how much? 3 from here, 3 from here, it will be 6. Here it will be how much? It will be 10. Then here it will be 6 plus 4, 10. Here it will be 20. Here it will be how many? 5 from here and 10 from here, it will be 15. Here it will be 35. Sorry, 35. Here it will be 6 from here, 15 from here, 21, and 35 and 21 at B will have 56, right? So इतना भी tough नहीं है, just थोड़ी practice करोगे तो हो जाएगा. Now let's try to solve that question. This, so I need to go from A to B, right? So again 1, 1, 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here it will be 1 plus 2, 3, 6, 10, 15 and 21. Now here it will be how many? 3 from here, 1 from here, it will be 4. 4 from here, 1 from here, 5, it will be here 6, right? Here it will be 7, here it will be 8. Now at this junction how many will have? Here it will be 6 ways only, right? यहाँ पे 6 ही होंगे because यहाँ से कुछ नहीं आ रहा है. At this moment it will be 13. At this point it will be what? 13 plus 8, 21. Here it will be 6 only, right? ऊपर से ही रास्ते आ रहे हैं बस ये. यहाँ पे हो जाएंगे 13 यहाँ से और 6 यहाँ से, it will be 19. At this moment it would be 21 from here, 19 from here, it would be nothing but 40, right? At this moment यहाँ से ऊपर से 6 आ रहे हैं और यहाँ से भी कुछ आ रहा है, राइट? तो आई नीड टू काउंट हियर फर्स्ट. सो दिस वाज 21, ये भी 21 है, तो यहाँ पे कितना होगा? 15 ओनली, ये जो 15 आ रहा है, राइट? एट दिस पॉइंट 15 एंड दिस 21, ठीक है? 15 प्लस 21, दिस वुड बी 36. हियर इट विल बी 15 ओनली बिकॉज ऊपर से कुछ नहीं आ रहा है. 36 एंड 15, इट वुड बी nothing but 51, right? Yeah. Now at this moment कितने रास्ते होंगे? यहाँ से 15, यहाँ से 6, तो this will be 21. At this moment 21 plus 51, this would be 72. यहाँ पे कितना होगा? ये 19 यहाँ से, ये 21 यहाँ से, this would be 40. ये 40 और ये 40 यहाँ पे होगा 80. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कितना होगा? 40 और 72, this would be 112, and the last at this point it would be 80 and 112, 192 is the final answer. Seemingly difficult question, no doubt about it, but if you prepare well, it can be done. Okay, not at all tough one. So let's try the other question. Again, this can be solved only by Pascal. There is no quick way to get to this, right? So again, I need to go from here to here. A से B जाना है. No backtracking allowed. So again, I'll write 1 here, 1 here. सिर्फ इन दोनों जगह पे आएगा 1, 1, 1 and 1. So at this point कितने ways होंगे? 2. At this point कितने ways होंगे? 3. Here it would be 2 plus 1, 3. Here it would be 2 plus 3 plus 1, 4. Here it would be 5. At this junction it would be 6. Here it would be 10. Right? अब ये जो 3 रास्ते यहाँ से भी ये 3 ही होगा, तो this point it would be 9. This point it would be 19. अब ये जहाँ से 3 आ रहा है तो यहाँ पे भी 3 ही होगा, राइट? देयर इज नो अदर वे कि यहाँ पे कोई और पॉइंट है. हियर इट वुड बी 9 plus 3, 12. Here it would be 19 plus 12, that is 31, right? Now coming here it would be at this point ऊपर से 19 and यहाँ से आ रहा है 5, that is nothing but 19 plus 5, that is 24, right? And at this moment it would be 13 from here, 24 from here, 55. So 55 has to be answer of this particular question. So I hope you are getting the hang of it. Please practice it. You'll get the questions right. Let's try 1 or 2 questions more. Yeah. This is a CAT 2008 question, right? So let's solve the question number 5 first. What it says, Neelam rides a bicycle from her house at A, right? And she needs to go to the office at B along the shortest path. That is the keyword. So find number of the shortest path possible. Now this shortest path, obviously this will be along the diagonal, right? It will be along the diagonal. So how it will be how my route will be? Let's say this particular point as x, and let's say this particular point as y. So I'll first go from a to x, right? In fact, that Neelam will go from a to x, and then x to y and y to b. Now this can be solved by our preliminary method as well. ठीक है, नॉर्मल जो फर्स्ट वाली मेथड थी, हॉरिजॉन्टल वर्टिकल. फ्रॉम a to x, how many horizontal are there? 1 and 2. Vertical 1 and 2, right? So if I look at only a to x, so there are 2 horizontal brackets and 2 vertical brackets. So 2 plus 2, that is 4c2 should be a to x. Now from x to y, I have a diagonal road available, and that would be the shortest way. So I'll only go by one way, that is along the diagonal from x to y. Now y to b. Y to b, how many horizontal are there? 1, 2, 3 and a 4. 4 horizontal and 1 and 2, 2 vertical. So answer will be horizontal plus vertical, that is 4 plus 2, 6c2. Okay, so this should be my answer. Let us solve this. It will be 4 into 3 by 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are 3 2s are 6 into 1, and this will be what? 6c2. 6 into 5 by 2, that is 15. So 6 into 15, 90 should be my answer of this question. Fourth option. Yes. Let's look at the second question of this. Question number 6. What it says, Neelam wants to go from A to C here. A to C, but via B along the shortest route again, then also again along the diagonal. So how her route will be? She will first go from A to B, and she will then go from B to C. We have already calculated the answer of A to B, right? In the last question, what was it? 90. So my common sense says whatever value of BC it would be, but it would be surely multiple of 90. So my answer also has to be multiple of 90. Let's look at the options, right? Because there are 5 options. So obviously 792 is not a multiple of 90. 1200 is also not a multiple of 90. 936 is also not a multiple of 90. This is a multiple of 90, 630. So I have eliminated 3 options. So my answer has to be either first option or the second option. Now let's solve this. So B to C, if I want to go, let's apply here Pascal method. So B, I need to go to C. Okay. So if this is 1 and this is 1, right? Till C I need to go, so I need to stop here only. So here it will be how many ways? Here it will be, let's write 1 1 first. Yeah. So here it will be 2, here it will be 3, at this point it will be 4, at this point it would be 5, at this point it would be 6, right? And this one here, it would be 7. So ये भी कितना होगा? D पे there will be 6 ways only, because ऊपर नीचे से कुछ नहीं आ रहा और यहाँ से भी कुछ नहीं, तो these are only 6 way. So at C, this 6 and this 7, 6 plus 7, it would be 13. So from B to C, I have 13 ways to go. So B to C, I have 13 ways to go. That comes out to be 1170. 13 9s is 117. So that should be my answer. So answer of this particular question is 1170. Okay. So just don't think earlier only कि मैं हमेशा यही method use करूँगा. Be conversant with both the methods. You can have liberty to use any of them in the question. Let's solve another question. This is a CAT 2011 question, a very easy question. Okay, so obviously it can't be solved by the horizontal wala method. Pascal triangle से quickly answer आ जाएगा, right? So A to B I need to go. It would be 1. It would be 1, 1 and a 1. So here it will be how many ways? 2 ways. It would be 3 ways. Here it would be 4 ways. It would be 2 here only because और कहीं से कुछ नहीं आ रहा. Here it would be 2 from here, 3 from here. It would be 5. At this moment it would be 5. It would be 4. So it would be 9. यहाँ पे सिर्फ 5 आएगा, आपको सिर्फ डायरेक्शन याद रखनी, किस डायरेक्शन में जाना है, राइट, A to B, सो आई नीड टू गो इन दिस डायरेक्शन, सो बस उस डायरेक्शन में आप ऐड करते जाना है नंबर्स, विल नॉट मेक एनी मिस्टेक। सो 9 + 5 14 is the final answer of this question, right? Pretty simple it was, provided you know the way of it. Okay, let's look at the next question. Okay, it's a set of 2 questions, let's solve it. So here it is diagram given, these are the typical note. Let's solve the first question. 8, I need to go from in how many ways a person at node 9 reached to B. So P से मुझे B तक जाना है, ठीक है, let's start doing it. P से, तो don't start from A, right, P से. So here it would be 1, here it would be 1, here also 1, 1 and 1. So at this point it would be how much? 1 from here, 1 from here, it would be 2. At this point it would be 1 from here, 2 from here, it would be 3. At this point it would be 4. Now यहाँ से कितने होंगे? ये तो 1 ही है, तो this would be 2 from here, it would be 3. Here it would be 3 from here and also 3 from here, it would be 6. Here 6 from here, 4 from here, it would be 10, right? Now this 3 also, this will be 3 again. At this point this 6 roots are coming up, this 6 and this 3, it would be 9. At this point 9 from here, 10 from here, it would be 19, right? So far here it would be 3 only, right? So at this moment 9 from here, 3 from here, that is 12, and last this is 12 from here, 19 from here, 31. So 31 should be the answer of the first question. Clear? Okay, so let's solve the 9th question. I'm erasing it. For the 9th question, what it says, how many ways a person can travel from A to B traveling via node Q? So Q से हमको आगे जाना है, right? Okay, so let's start from here. So first I'll go from A to Q, right? So it is 1 here, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Don't go above because वो Q के ऊपर हो जाएगा, आपको बैक ट्रैक करना पड़ेगा, and back tracking is not allowed, right? You either can move to the rightwards or the upwards. तो अगर मैं एक स्टेप ऊपर चला गया Q के, तो मुझे डाउनवर्ड वापस आना पड़ेगा, विच इज नॉट अलाउड, राइट? सो मैं सिर्फ Q के लेवल तक ही मैं 1 लिखूंगा. So Q के लेवल तक means that means this 3, right? So this point, इस पे कितना आएगा? 1 + 1 2. This point it will be 2 + 1 3. This point 3 + 1 4. Here it would be 2 only. 2 + 3 this will be 4. Not sorry 4. 2 + 3 it would be 5. At P it would be 5 from here, 4 from here, it would be 9. ठीक है? यहाँ पे कितना होगा? ये 5 ही रास्ते आ रहे हैं यहाँ तक, so it would be 5 here. 9 + 5 it would be 14 at this junction. Okay, now rightward यहाँ पे से 14 है, तो यहाँ पे भी 14 ही होगा, right? That is only way coming. Okay, अभी मुझे Q से 14 B तक जाना है. अब 2 वे है, मैंने A to Q निकाल लिया 14, मैं Q to B फिर से 1 लेके निकाल सकता हूँ, बट 1 की जरूरत नहीं, जब यहाँ पे 14 है तो I can take 14 only. ठीक है, 14 को ही लेके चलते हैं. तो ये 14 है, तो यहाँ तक तो 14 ही आ रहा है, right? So ये this will be 14, this will be 14, this will be 14 and this will be 14. ठीक है, so ये कितना होगा? 14 + 14 28. This 14 + 28, this will be 42. Similarly 28 + 14, this will be 42, and 42 + 42, this will be 84. So answer of the 9th question is 84. Okay, so I hope you got this funda of how to calculate this pathways and routes. A very important topic. You will surely find questions in mocks, and you can get in CAT as well. Okay, so okay, if you have any doubts you can ask in the comment section, or you can message us. Okay, we'll answer the question. Thank you everyone.